Good day, everyone. I am Daphne Di Banaag, together with Michael Ombrosa. Today, we are here to present our case study titled Duck Egg Production 100 Heads. Startup cost, initial investment, land acquisition cost of 100,000, housing facilities cost of 100,000, machineries and tools cost, poultry feeders cost of 5,000, waterers cost of 3,000, incubator cost of 10,000, poultry initial stock drain cost of 5,000, duck cost of 20,000, and the total initial is 243,000. Learning expenses in month: feeds, commercial feeds, natural feeds, veterinary services, labor, and the cost of 2,400. Electricity and water bill